Friends, my name is Lynn Adjei, and today we have another opportunity to share a moringa recipe. Today we are going to do a simple dessert which I have named Moringa Fruity. The ingredients I'm going to use today are 2 oranges, 2 bananas, and I have some mango. I don't have a fresh mango, but when we're going to use fresh mango, use a medium-sized mango. You wash and clean all the fruits and cut them up in small sizes. That's my citrus, and that's the mango, and that's banana, which I've already washed and cut up. I'm going to put these in the fruit bowl. My citrus fruit, my mango, and the banana. Now, the topping is made up of natural yogurt, and I have a cup of natural yogurt, 1 cup. Then I add my moringa powder, 2 tablespoonfuls moringa powder. Then I have my BAOBAB. Now, let's shake it up a little bit to arrange them nicely. Now the topping. We've got our moringa cream. That's the BAOBAB and the moringa powder and the natural yogurt. So we top our fruits with our cream, moringa, and BAOBAB powder. Nicely. That's your moringa fruity. You can see the fruits there, and your moringa mixed on top of it. So this is it. Because when you finish, you put it in the fridge for 10 minutes and it's ready. Lynn Adjei, moringa farmer and processor, representing Ghana.